Yo fams, are you looking for how to download Instagram videos and reels for free? This is the video you should be watching. If you don't want to log in into your Instagram account, another thing that you can do is go on your Instagram. So if you are scared of Xender, I'm not scared of Xender because I think Xender is a legit app, and I will wait for this analyzer to analyze and see if it's going to be able to give us a download link. Hey guys, my name is Arakunrin Damola and you are right where you need to be on this particular video, where I'm going to show you everything you need to know about how to download Instagram video and reels with Xender and one other tool that I'm going to show you before the end of this video. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, and drop a comment on this video. Now let's get straight to it. I'm gonna look for Xender, and this is my Xender. I'm gonna open it and allow it to load like so, and I'm gonna skip this ad. Okay, I'm gonna skip this ad as well. I'm gonna come to social. I'm going to hit Instagram like that. Okay, usually it says open the app and copy the link. You see it's giving you what you should do. Open with the Xender downloader. All right, log in to Instagram and click download. That's about it. I think two options actually. The first option is open the app and copy the link. Open with the Xender downloader. And there is another option, log into Instagram, click, and that's about it. All right. Okay, I think I'm just gonna go from here, and I think I'm also already logged in. So if you have not yet logged in, it's going to ask you to log in. All you need to do is log in into your Instagram account. If you don't want to log in into your Instagram account, another thing that you can do is go on your Instagram. So if you are scared of Xender, I'm not scared of Xender because I think Xender is a legit app. So I'm just going to come to my Instagram like this. So for instance, I see this particular video, any woman that's supposed to scroll after the text message to okay, I'm just going to come here, and I think this is the way to do it. If you want to copy a link, click this one that says share. Okay, let's wait for my Instagram. I don't know what's happening right here. I'm just going to open it again. Let's open Instagram again. Okay, I'm going to look for a video. So I'm going to click here. All right, and I'm going to copy this link. Okay, wait for it to copy the link. Make sure that it has copied, and I'm going to come right here, and I'm going to come here and say paste and download. It's going to analyze the link. Okay, this is the first method, all right, to downloading from Instagram. All right, and this method you are not going to be logged in into Instagram. Okay, and it's going to analyze link. It's still analyzing the link. You just have to chill for it to finish analyzing it, and I will wait for this analyzer to analyze and see if it's going to be able to give us a download link. But if this method doesn't work, okay, apparently I think, I don't know, it just goes out. Let's see again. Okay, so that video that we tried to download actually worked. This is it. It worked. This is it. So that first method that I thought didn't work, it worked. So this is it right here. I think it's downloading again. So it means that we're going to have two videos like that. So it means it worked. So that's it, guys. The method for downloading Instagram videos with Xender. I hope you find this tutorial useful and helpful. If you find it useful and helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Okay, so what I want to do is go into Instagram. Now that's the second option. So we will go into Instagram like this. Okay, and we will find another video, another picture, or something else. Okay, so I've seen this particular video, and well, this is looking really cool. So I can simply just hit this download button right here. I'm going to click it like so. It's going to download the video. All right, it's going to download the video. And if I scroll down, maybe I see another video that I want to download. Okay, I'm simply just going to come like so and click it this way. Can you see? Now, this is it. Okay, maybe another video. The same process basically. You just keep, downloading like this, another video like that. You download and on like that. So that's pretty much how to do it. And then once you're done, you can just click out of it. All right, and come here and you will see all of these videos have been downloaded. Okay, so let me just use save from .net. This works 100% all the time. So what I want to do here is, this is save from .net. Just type save from .net and it's going to adjust the URL link. Don't mind, and just paste your Instagram video link there, and it's going to say processing the link to download. Stay on the page, do not leave the page. All right, and this is the video that I want to try to download right here, Slay Empire, and then just click download. All right, and it's going to load like so. Now it's loading and hard. Now you see file downloaded. Okay, and if I want to download another video from Instagram, okay, let me come back to Instagram like this.
Put your wig. I show you they do here now.
And again to here I'm going to cancel that, and I'm going to paste my Instagram, the new Instagram link on savefrom.net. right, remember that I'm going to put this link in the description box below this video. So this is it. I'm going to click download and it's going to load again. I'm just going to cancel that. I don't know why it keeps opening that. Now I'm going to open that and you can see the video and we can play it right. So this is it. Everything is working just fine. If you find this video helpful and useful, please do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on post notifications so that when I post new videos like this, YouTube will notify you first. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.